guys, welcome back to Code. So let's start with the very first lab of our new skill batch, which is develop Gemini apps with Gemini and Streamlit. The name of the first lab is getting started with the Gemini API and Vertex AI with code. So let's start the lab. Click on Start Lab button. Since you all know that this lab cost 5 credits, that means this lab is not free. So you need to make sure that you have already got your credits. Click on Launch with Credits. This type of timer will appear. Now make sure that you perform this lab in incognito mode. So for that, open the incognito mode. Drag this open Google Cloud Console to the incognito mode. Now our task 1 is to open the notebook in Vertex AI Workbench. Task 2 is to set up the notebook, and task 3 is to use the Gemini Flash model. Okay, so let's start with the task. As you enter the link in the incognito mode, this kind of interface will appear. Click on I understand. As you click on I understand, Google Cloud Console will get opened. And this kind of dialog box will appear. Here you have to click on this checkbox and click on agree and continue. As you agree and continue, you are open to use the Google Cloud Console. Now, as said in the task 1, we have to open the workbench. So here in the navigation menu, you have Vertex AI, and as you toggle on this Vertex AI, you will see workbench over here. Click on workbench. As you click on the workbench will appear, and here under this instance name you have this option Open JupyterLab. So click on this Open JupyterLab. The JupyterLab notebook will be opened. As the JupyterLab notebook will open, this kind of interface, this kind of notebook will appear. Now here you will see in this left panel, under this name you have 3 files. You can see open the intro Gemini _cURL. Okay, for that you can go back to the manual. Here in task 2 it is written intro Gemini cURL. You have to open this file. So open it, double click it, the file will get opened. You will see this kind of dialog box. Without making any changes, just click on select. Now coming to the code, you have some cells over here inside which the code is written. Now under the heading set Google Cloud project, you have this code project ID and location. So come back to the manual. In task 2 itself, you have been provided with project ID and location. So copy this project ID from here and under this heading set Google Cloud project, inside this code, over here inside the double quotes, just paste the project ID. Now again, go back to the manual, copy the location, paste it over here. Done. Now scroll up under this heading getting started, click on this cell and you have to run the code. So as you click on the cell, click over here, this play button. Okay, again in the next cell click on this play button and the code will run. You have to run the code when the this kernel status is idle. Okay, right now it is idle, so we will come to the next code and we will run it. You can press shift and enter also. Wait for the response, wait for the output, and run the next code. See, here we have received this text output coming under the heading streaming. Run this cell. See, here the text prompt was given, why is the sky blue, and we received the text answer. Under the heading model parameters, again click on the cell and click on shift and enter, or you can just click on this play button to run the code. We got the output. Again, this in under the heading function calling, run this code. Now here you have to download this image, so again run this code. See, the image is being downloaded. You have to generate text from this local image, so for this the code is already written. You have to just run it. Again coming down, run the code. Make sure you run all the cells present inside this file. Okay, and while running the code, I will suggest you to at least give a look on the code or read the code, so you have the idea exactly what was there in the code or what prompt we gave and what was the output according to the prompt. Because the timer is of 45 minutes, the lab timer is of 45 minutes, so that much time is more than enough for you to perform the lab as well as to read the codes, to read the instructions. You just have to run all the codes present inside this file. Okay, make sure every code has its output. Okay, you got the output for every cell. After running all the program, come back to the manual and check your progress. For that, come under task 3, generate text from the text prompt. Click on check my progress, you will get a green tick. Generate multi-run conversations from the chat prompt, we have done that. The code is present there, we have done that, so you will get a green tick. Click on run function calling cell in the notebook, we have done that. See, now for task 4, come to multimodal input task 4, click on check my progress, again click on check my progress, and congratulations, you are done with the lab. You will get a green tick, and for sure you will get 100 on 100 over here. Sometimes there is a lag, it won't show the marks, but you have to wait. Keep trying, keep clicking on this check my progress, and you will get the marks. See, I got 20 on 20 in all the tasks. You will also get 100 on 100. Okay, thank you, bye bye.